Imagine spending 6 months building your dream YouTube channel, uploading every week, learning to edit, finally hitting 1,000 subscribers, then 4,000 watch hours. You apply for monetization. A few days later, you open your email. Your channel contains inauthentic content. Game over. Not because your channel was faceless, not because you used AI, but because YouTube believed anyone could have made your videos. Today, I'll show you what inauthentic content actually means, why so many creators get it wrong, and how to make a faceless channel that YouTube actually wants to pay. Let's clear up the biggest myth on YouTube right now. People say AI channels are dead. Faceless channels can't get monetized. Text-to-speech is banned. None of that is true. The problem isn't AI. The problem isn't being faceless. The real problem is that most creators don't actually create. They simply assemble. And trust me, YouTube knows the difference. Before we continue, I noticed something. A lot of people watch these videos week after week without ever hitting that subscribe button. So let me ask you something.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
All right, let's get back to it. Think about this. Imagine walking into a restaurant. Every burger looks the same, tastes the same, comes from the same machine. Eventually, you stop caring. That's exactly how YouTube sees thousands of channels. They all use the same AI voice, the same stock videos, the same editing style, the same script structure, the same thumbnails. Everything feels copy and paste. That's what YouTube calls inauthentic content. Content that's mass-produced, repetitive, and so easy to copy that almost anyone could make it in a few minutes. Notice something. They never say faceless. They don't care whether your face is on camera. They care whether your creativity is. Let's compare two history channels. Channel A opens ChatGPT, copies the script, uses an AI voice, downloads random clips, uploads the video. Tomorrow, they repeat the exact same process, just with a different historical figure. Now look at Channel B. The creator researches multiple sources, writes the script in their own words, adds maps, creates original animations, explains why events happened, not just what happened, connects history to lessons people can use today. Both channels are faceless, but only one is actually creating value. One teaches, the other manufactures, and YouTube can tell the difference. Here's what most people still don't understand. AI doesn't get channels demonetized. AI is just a tool. Photoshop doesn't make someone a photographer, a camera doesn't make someone a filmmaker, and ChatGPT doesn't make someone a creator. You do. The tool isn't the problem. The way you use it is. So, how do you avoid creating inauthentic content? First, add your own perspective. Don't just repeat facts. Explain them, challenge them, connect them. Tell the audience something they wouldn't get from simply asking ChatGPT. Second, stop relying on random stock footage. Every visual should support what you're saying. If you're talking about YouTube monetization, show YouTube. If you're talking about analytics, show analytics. Small details like that make a big difference. Third, if you're using an AI voice, customize it. Adjust the pacing, the pronunciation, the emotion. Make it sound like your channel, not everyone else's. And finally, ask yourself one simple question before uploading. If someone else used the exact same prompt, would they end up making the same video? If the answer is yes, you probably haven't added enough of yourself. Faceless channels are not dying. Low-effort channels are. The creators making the most money today aren't the ones uploading the fastest. They're the ones creating videos people can't find anywhere else. AI isn't replacing creators. It's replacing creators who refuse to create. The future belongs to people who use AI to make their ideas better, not to replace their ideas completely. Because in the end, YouTube doesn't reward people who upload the most videos. It rewards people who create the most value. So the next time you're about to upload a video, don't ask yourself, will YouTube monetize this? Ask yourself, could anyone have made this video? Or could only I have made it this way? That one question could be the difference between getting approved or getting rejected. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel that actually gets monetized, you're in the right place. Every week, I share practical strategies, AI workflows, and proven YouTube growth tips to help you build a channel that stands out. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.